Okay, Bandit 3. I recommend doing this before. I'm in chapter 3 right now, so I recommend doing it before you can't use any weapons. So fast travel. What I do is fast travel the roads. I mean, you could do it. Remember, you could do like the reverse of it of what I'm about to do. But if you try Insanity, I mean, it's just way harder because you all know what Insanity is like. There's 18 British cops sitting on every corner. So. And it's pretty self-explanatory. Rob the register. You just gotta be all on the same day. Point of interest, this is where that ox spawns, and you can get that cattleman revolver. Dual wield them bad boys. And here's the tip, don't do the gunsmith in any town because he's gonna up that bitch. He ain't going peacefully. You know what I'm saying? Toss on my trusty pig mask. If you wanna know where to get that mask, drop a comment.
Give me all your money. Open that thing. All right, it's yours. Just leave me alone.
I fucking hate this dude anyway. I didn't even feel bad about it.
Never drag your knuckles into here again.
Didn't even feel bad. I mean, the Doctor and Valentine.
What am I still doing here?
Actually, I kind of felt bad with this guy. Doctor and Valentine, I don't feel bad at all. And I accidentally ran over the one person out of two of those people that I'd hit is the lawman, of course. So you just lose them. So sleep till morning, obviously. Fast travel, you know. So you got all day to do it.
Good boy.
Yeah, that pig mask is fire. I like that cat skull mask too.
Now, come on.
It just wasn't on my horse, so I had to ride it out using the pig mask. See, I don't know why my brain tells me to do that, because like that's always the guns I have in my inventory, right? Because I don't use like the bolt action or anything for like large game, right? It's always the bow and arrow, so. Now fast travel to, I think, Valentine. Yeah, boy. Trying to get that mustache grown out, bro. Should take some minute. It gets like stuck at 5. I find, honestly, I've done everything in this game. The buggy trick, like Herbalist 9 as Arthur, and I'm telling you, the hardest thing I've ever done is get my beard to level 10. Yeah, and so something with this dude building a house, father and Curtis and that other son, something happened that burned me right out, because like, dude, I'm in chapter 3, like, and I've interacted with them a couple times now, so I don't, it burned me right out. But yeah, we're gonna skip the general store, because sometimes you can rob the doctor. Once you lose the law, you come back and I mean, you could sneak over and get the general store too, but I don't really like doing it to that guy.
This is a robbery. Open the register now.
I don't care about this motherfucker.
Don't kill me. Yeah, sure. Let me get my cash out.
And like I said, the gunsmith in Valentine especially, he's gonna up that. He's gonna up that thing. Like, he's not gonna. You're gonna have to kill him, because and like rob it yourself. He's gonna up that. But that's just common sense, I think. You know what I mean? Like rob it. Like dude's a gunsmith. You know what I mean? He's of course gonna up that shit. That's all I got. So I'm watching the mini map, right? And I've drove past bro multiple times now. Like interacted with them, whatever. This is the second interaction, like where the boys like are trying to get him to pay for land or whatever. So I tried to help, be a gentleman and help, but it's kind of stupid on my part. Yeah, I'm doing a good honor playthrough, so. But I only need to get the horse fence unlocked I was wondering what wasn't tagging. I forgot I did that mission with where you get, you tag them yourself. With the shoot the 3 hats off, the sharpshooter none. So many people think you gotta wait until you unlock that. Like, no, brother. Yeah, it was stupid of me. I don't know why I did that. I had to go to Wallace Station anyways, and that's the worst too, because Wallace Station, I mean, they got fire clothes, like the drover outfit, only the coat to that outfit, but you need to buy it all in one, obviously. So yeah, and that's another thing. Like I recommend, if you're trying to buy any fancy clothes, bro, do it before you start your gambler challenges. If you're doing a good honor playthrough. Loads of time still left. Loads of time. This could be a different video, but every time you come here, there's gonna be like half a dozen blue jays. Like there's one sitting on that thing right now. Yeah, I should have made this into a different, like short, like a blue jay location every time. But here you go. So Gambler 3 plus blue jay location, I guess. This dude right here, the gunsmith in Valentine and the gunsmith in Saint Denis. It's the only people I hate doing dirty. Even on my bad honor playthroughs, bro, I don't want to do them dirty.
I do want your business, but without the mask. I think you better open up that register.
Like, bro's so chill.
Just don't kill me. There's no need to shed blood. Here, take it. It's yours. I worked hard for every bill and coin you're taking. Real kind. Thank you. Work hard and save, folks just steal it. easy out here.
I don't know what I was doing here.
Stop, or I'll kill you. I swear. Won't you reward this then? Just calm down now. Don't make this difficult. Oh, big misunderstanding. Don't be a fool. Hey, be on your way. Do you want you? I want all your money first. This ain't a
Man, he's got some fucking balls for a dude with a bullet in him.
Remember what I said, folks. All right. Easy, whoa.
So now you just go to Strawberry. And, obviously, the only store there, general store. Fucking hate that dude. And of course, he's the only one you see in the epilogue. And he looks the same age. I mean, they put a set of glasses on him, and that's about it. Yeah, this is all one day. Just like I said, sleep till morning, fast travel. Don't prohibit guns. Don't like do that Dutch mission where you gotta prohibit the guns or whatever in roads, because Saint Denis is I mean, I guess you could because because you could sneak, like once you lose the law, you could sneak back into Valentine and get the general store, but I don't know. Seems easier like this. Be a weird little detail some of you guys might not know. I didn't know for the longest time, bro. Obviously, you guys know you can rob the general store, but you gotta, like, he's running a solicited moonshine operation. You just peek through that window underneath the balcony where Buddy's sitting there. But what I'm talking about is, see, you got a prosthetic leg.
This truly is a God-forsaken place.
It is, my boy. I feel you. But yeah, this one's kind of tedious. I don't like none of the bandit challenges, bro. They're all just, kind of lame. Except for the one, get a $250 bounty. And people say it's $250 bounty in every state. No, dude, it's just one. You gotta amass a $250 bounty. So you could sit on top of Strawberry Jail, which is what I do. And just shoot until you get over a $255 bounty. But that's a Gambler 3 way to go.